Hey everybody, J-Bo here. Welcome to Bad Tree Productions. Today I'm currently working on a 2008 Polaris Sportsman 300. It's a 4x4. It's pretty gross looking. It was a marketplace ad. The guy had $500 on it. He claimed it ran. Anyway, I asked him if there was any wiggle room on the price. He said $450. I said sold. Let's get it loaded up. So anyway, previous owner had he was just jumping the ignition switch. And I actually installed a new ignition switch to it, so it does actually start up. And then I did actually get it to run. It was in the back of my truck, and I was able to drive it off. But first, I had to replace this shift linkage rod because that was missing. So I imagine the guy was just going behind it and shifting it at the transmission and back. So I replaced that. It actually works good. I actually drove it down the street, and you know, it ran pretty good. There are a few items like this choke cable. He just got a piece of nut and bolt here to pull up on it, but it works. But I do have a new one of those. So I've been kind of, you know, trying to polish this turd as, you know, time and weather permits. It's 26 degrees, but it's a nice sunshiny day. The sun's kind of beating down on me. It's kind of nice. It's not bad. But anyway, future plans for this are the paint. I want to restore it back to, you know, the original green, so I'll strip all this red crap off. It does need a set of skins on it. I think I found a deal on eBay for about $275, so that'll make the tires will be all new then. It does need a set of rear axles. The boots are torn on both of them. Anyway, I got a new set of axles, rear axles for this. They're on the front porch right now, but I'll probably take it up to Jeremy's garage and we'll swap them out up there. Anyway, as I was looking around, I actually noticed this boot's here. This boot is torn also, so I'll go ahead and order up a set of front axles for it also. And maybe this one here's got a little sticker on it. Maybe that was okay. But anyway, I'll probably swap out both front axles. And I think the brakes need a little bit of work. But anyway, for today, what I'm doing is I'm going to replace a gas gauge. So that's what this one here looks like. It's actually, I watched a video on this, and it appeared that the guy was trying to unscrew it, and I suppose that kind of breaks the seal on it, but this actually just kind of presses in from what I gather. It's missing the guts. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try to fish out the retainer, the fuel sending unit retainer or whatever. That kind of fell out of these two holes. So it seems to be a kind of a typical problem with these that have this style of gas gauge. There's one part of it. There's more. I don't know, you can't hardly see in there. It's kind of bright out, so yeah, I see it. And of course the float's still stuck in there. So maybe I'll just leave it, because who cares? Alright, so anyway, here's my front axles here. Like I said, I got these off eBay. They were, I don't know, 110 or 115, something like that. This is my actual fuel gauge, and it's an actual Polaris part. There's a number there if you can see it. It's 3280491. I got this off of eBay for like $28. It was like $32 shipped, taxes. Kind of surprising. I mean, as far as Polaris parts go, you guys know that you know, their parts are expensive. Yeah, I'm surprised this wasn't like $78. Up top, there don't appear to be any threads. The old one has more of a kind of a rubber boot. But anyway, I'm going to take a look. I'm going to compare the two, and then we'll get back to you. We'll install it, show you how it works. So it should be pretty good. All right, so here's kind of a comparison between the two parts. Okay, this is the original here on this side, and this is the new one. And it appears that this has a rubber kind of grommet around it, so I'll have to take that off. All right, so there you have it. So I was able to take a screwdriver and kind of gently pry this apart. So I threw a little dielectric grease on it around the outside and the inside. It appears that, oh crap, the factory Might use a little glue around the outside of it, but we're not going to do that right now, so I'll worry about it later. I wasn't able to get the float out. I couldn't even see it, so I don't think it's going to be an issue. But anyway, we'll go ahead and stuff it in. All right, so there you go. It's currently showing about a half a tank, and that's about what it looks like inside. So yeah, not bad. And it just pressed into place. So and it's pretty solid, I think. So anyway, there you have it. How to replace a fuel tank sender or fuel tank gauge on your 2008 Polaris 300 Sportsman. Anyway, we got more stuff to do on this, but that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys.